everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a half cut crease eye look. I'm strictly just going to be doing the eye look. You know, if you guys want a future tutorial on my foundation routine or my lip routine, I will gladly do that. I will have another video up that has like my full face on, and I will link that down below. But today we're strictly just doing the eye look because it's fun and exciting, and please keep watching to see it. All right, so we are gonna go from this to this over here. So first part on this eyelid is we're gonna prime it, and I'm gonna use my MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and I'm just gonna grab a little bit, put it on my hand, and pat it onto my eyelid, just so we have some coverage. Cool. Okay, so next I have my Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. Super dirty hanging there, but I'm gonna take the shade right here to start defining my crease. All right, so next we're gonna take this shade right here with, oh yeah, I'm using my MAC 217 brush here, and I'm gonna use the same brush for both colors, and we're just gonna make it a little bit darker now. All right, so next what we're gonna do is take a little bit more tapered brush here and my Morphe bunches of brushes that I bought in like a collection. I'm just gonna take that with, we're gonna do this color right here. And we're gonna go a little bit below where I previously put the eyeshadow, just to make it more defined and darker. Okay, and next I'm going to take this little pencil brush here, again a Morphe brush, and I'm going to take this dark brown shade right there, and this is where I'm going to kind of outline my crease. Cool. And I'm gonna actually use that same brush, sorry, and blend it now. I'm gonna take this little Summer Morphe tapered brush and blend it out some more. And what I do is I just wipe off the previous eyeshadow that was on here, so I'm not getting crazy with mixing my colors. Okay, so next I'm going to take this little pencil brush again and grab this almost black color. It's kind of like a, I don't know, maybe plummish black. And I'm gonna put that on the outer edge of my eye. And next, I'm gonna wipe this off on my little towel. I'm gonna grab the same brush right here with this black color. And I'm gonna put this on the very outer portion of my eyelid. And now I'm gonna take that smaller tapered brush, wherever I put it, there it is. This one again, and blend this all in to a certain point. I'm gonna stop like right here. And now I'm gonna take my MAC 217 brush and blend that out even more. And I basically want to take it to not quite the middle of my eye, so I guess like a third of my eyelid. And now I'm going to take it up into my crease and over. Just a very little bit. Just basically trying to smooth it all out. Okay. And next, I'm going to take that same little pencil brush with the lighter brown color. It was, sorry, a second to dark, second to black color, and put that under my bottom eyelash line here. All right, now I'm just gonna blend it with the same pencil brush. That way it all blends together. Okay. Now it's time to cut this eyelid. So I'm gonna take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer again, dab a little bit, squirt a little bit onto my hand. And then I'm gonna take this cute little Morphe brush. It's a tiny little flathead brush. And I'm gonna start cutting away. Basically, you're cutting off the eyeshadow to define your half cut crease. And I don't like to go side to side, I like to go up to down. That way it just doesn't smear everything. All right, so now that we have this little part halfway cut out of my eyeball, I'm gonna set it with some a lighter color, lightest color in the palette, just so there's an eyeshadow base on there. And I'm gonna do this with this little bit bigger flathead brush. Here we go. By Morphe. All right, so now comes the fun part, my favorite part, where I get this lovely pigment. This is the MAC little sample of pigment, and it's in the color Vanilla. So what I'm gonna do is pour a little bit into the cap here, and then I'm going to take that same flathead brush, spray it with some MAC Prep and Prime. Just kidding, it's Fix Plus. You know what I meant. And then I'm gonna dab a little bit into that pigment and then pat it onto my eyelid. Okie dokie. So that's all finished. Next, what I'm gonna do is take this NYX Liquid Crystal Dramatic Sparkle Studio Effect in the color Crystal Hip. And it's like this pretty iridescent, glittery, shiny stuff. And I'm gonna take that to just outline where I cut my crease. Perfect. So, I keep saying so, but the next part is where we're gonna blend out this black color into the sparkly pigment color. And we're gonna do that by using tapered, smaller, fluffy brush, eyeshadow brush. And we're gonna push the black into the vanilla color. And next is we're gonna take this brown color right here and kind of ombre effect it. We're gonna put that right on the different colors or where it breaks. Okie dokie. Next up, I'm gonna take my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner, little fancy marker here, and just, I'm not even gonna wing it, I'm just gonna define my lash line, because whenever I wear false eyelashes, I just like to have like some sort of liner there so you just don't see the band. I don't know, maybe one day I'll get over that, but, so I'm just gonna line my top lashes. Magnifique. Okay. So last but not least, we're gonna put some eyelashes on, and that will be the final product, everybody. All right, and there we have it. So we have both eyes done in this half cut crease look. This was really fun doing. Please tell me what you guys would like in the future, like full face or eyeshadow, or lips or eyebrows. Just let me know what you guys want, and I'll keep them coming. All right, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.